Hello and thanks for your interest in SOLDERSTAR's WaveShuttle Selective. I'd like to give you a quick overview of SOLDERSTAR solutions for selective soldering. Mini-wave selective soldering has largely taken over from regular wave soldering where high reliability, quality and repeatability is required. However, there is still very much a need for manufacturers to set up and monitor selective soldering lines to establish and maintain process quality. SOLDERSTAR's WaveShuttle selective system is a fixture-based solution which allows OEMs and contract manufacturers to set up and maintain control of their selective soldering process. WaveShuttle Selective has many system highlights. WaveShuttle Selective is a rugged and robust system made from 10mm high-quality composite, and features titanium side rails for maximum instrument life. It is compatible with the SLX data logger via the SmartLink connection system. On the top side, left and right temperature sensors measure the process preheat temperature. WaveShuttle Selective measures all temperature and contact parameters from your mini-wave process. On the bottom side, special sensors measure contact and height at a speed of 100 times per second. In addition, a sensor verifies the solder temperature. Optionally, flux sensors can be added which can verify aim and delivery of flux nozzles. Let's look at how the system is used. The selective solder machine is programmed to pass the WaveShuttle selective system through the preheat stage and into the process like any other assembly. The top side preheat profile and the solder temperature is measured from purpose-made temperature sensors. The solder nozzles are programmed to touch each of the contact sensors and sweep the height sensors. The following process parameters are all measured in a single pass. Nozzle contact time, nozzle solder height, X and Y speed, solder temperature, preheat temperatures and slopes, topside peak and wave temperatures, and optional verification of aim and delivery of flux nozzles. Special PC software is tailored specifically for selective solder analysis. Profile Viewer allows full analysis of temperature profiles with documentation tools for comprehensive reporting via a fully configurable test report. Profiles stored in the database can be organized by product, time or date. The machine library allows information to be defined about the machine. This includes information such as zone lengths, dimensions, and top side heating. The process manager allows temperature limits to be entered for nozzle temperatures, max PCB top side temperature, X and Y speed, contact times and wave height. Process checker screens automatically show process parameters against their user-assigned limits, removing any need for manual measurements to be made. And a built-in SPC manager allows selection and analysis of data from the database to quickly spot trends in the process. We are confident you'll find SOLDERSTAR's WaveShuttle Selective is the ideal tool for setup and control of your selective solder process. If you would like more information or to arrange a demonstration, please visit www.solderstar.com. Thank you for your time.